In this video, I'm going to show you how to play Bouncing Off the Walls by Sugarcult off of their album Wrap Me Up in Plastic. And if that sounds good to you, smash that like button and stay tuned. What's up, alt rockers? America's favorite guitar playing ginger is back with another guitar lesson. If this is our first time meeting, my name is Scott, and on this channel, we learn how to play the best rock songs of the past and how to produce the best rock songs of the future. Leave a comment down below if Sugarcult was your favorite pop punk band, and let's dive in. This song's gonna be in half step down tuning, so make sure you tune all of your strings down a half step. So E down to E flat, B down to B flat, G down to G flat, and so forth. The song's gonna open with kind of a clean guitar, and that guitar is gonna be playing this. So those are all power chords. We're starting on this G power chord here, 3rd fret, 6th string. Then we go to D, so that's 5th fret, 5th string. And then C, 3rd fret, 5th string. Right hand rhythm is this. So it's kind of staccato quarter note pattern. And then we upstroke the transition, let the strings ring open. Okay, to the next power chord, and then staccato quarter notes again, so. And that just continues to repeat. Coming out of that intro part, you'll hear a pick slide. So we have this kind of pick slide action going on. And then distorted guitars kick in with the same riff. So now we have distorted guitars playing the same thing. So you notice coming out of that verse, we have this kind of triplet pattern on that 3rd fret, 5th string power chord before we enter the chorus. And then the rhythm guitar part in the chorus sounds like this. Again, that's all power chords. So we're starting on this open 6th string power chord. Moving to the C power chord, 3rd fret, 5th string. Then we go 5th fret, 5th string, 5th fret, 6th string, 7th fret, 6th string, 3rd fret, 6th string, and repeat. The right hand rhythm is this. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 down. So that keeps repeating, coming out of it the last time. We go down to 1st fret, 6th string, and then we do 4 staccato quarter notes, 5th fret, 5th string. And then we're into the next verse. There is a lead guitar part in the chorus. So the lead guitar is playing this part, these octave swipes here on the 5th string. Sounds like this. And then it joins up with the rhythm. So those octave swipes here starting 7th fret, 5th string, that includes the 9th fret here of the 3rd string. So that's the octave swipe. So it's 7, down to 5, slide up to 7 right away. Then we go 5, 7, 9, 5, and repeat. Hold it on 9, second time through. Finish on the 8th fret, 5th string, that 3rd time through. And then join up with the rhythm. So all together, that octave part. So at this point, we're entering the second verse. We'll play a second verse exactly the same as the first, and then a second chorus the same as the first. Coming out of that second chorus, so we're still playing this riff. Now, in the first chorus, we went down to here to enter the second verse. What we're doing now is this. Okay, so instead of going down to the 1st fret, we go up to the 5th fret, 6th string, and then we do 2 staccato notes, 3rd fret, 5th string, and then 2 5th fret, 5th string. And then we enter the solo. So before we address the solo, let's address what the rhythm guitar is doing underneath it. So it's just going to be playing the main riff. Okay, so you notice there's a little pause, and that'll be obvious on the record, but it sounds like this. Pause, and then okay, so it'll just continue that main riff, so continues the main riff. And then it kicks in with the chorus riff. The solo is still going on, but now the rhythm guitar will play the chorus riff. So that rhythm guitar plays 8 bars of the main riff and then 8 bars of the chorus riff while the solo is playing this. So now we're into the actual solo. I'll play the first half of it here kind of slow. It goes like this. Okay, so that's pretty much all octave swipes, starting 14th fret, 5th string, down to 10, repeat, 14, 10, slide up to 15. Okay, and then we'll play triplets here. Okay, and then there's that pause, then it goes back down to 10, up to 14, down to 10, this time up to 17. Okay, so that part is okay, then we go back here to 14, 10, 14, 10, 9, 10, 12, 10. Then it ends with 9, 10, and then this little half step bend on the 14th fret of the 2nd string. And you can add some vibrato. So that's the first half, and that's the easier half. Now the second half is played very fast. So I'm gonna play it slow so we can break down all the notes. So the second half will start off with this unison type bend. We'll bend the 15th fret of the second string up to sound like the 12th fret of the first string. Okay, and then what we'll do is we'll kind of alternate the picking between those strings and keep kind of bending this 15th fret of the second string. So it'll sound kind of like this. So again, bend 15th fret of the second string up. Just keep kind of bending it, alternating those strings. He plays it very fast, so you just have to build up the speed. The next run here is this. He'll bend 15th fret of the first string, full step. Then it comes down to this. So that's 15 pull off to 12, and then 15 pull off to 12 of the second string. So then you play 12th fret of the first string again, bend 15th fret, full step of the second string. Add vibrato. So okay, so that's the next run after those bends. So the rest of the solo then will sound like this. So we've just come out of So that's the rest of the solo. Now let's break that down. So for those of you inclined to theory, all of this is just this E minor or G major pentatonic scale, including the blues note. So those are all the notes that are used in this solo. So we've just come out of this. So we've just played that. This note is bent. We're going to pluck it again. Okay, and then we're going to pluck 15th fret of the first string with the pinky, release the bend, pluck 15 of the second string, so 12th fret of the first, then 15, 12 of the second, so from here, 12th fret of the second again, that's the next run. So 12 of the second, 15 of the third, 14 of the third, 12 of the third, end that run on 14 of the fourth. Then you're going to lay the ring finger flat so you can play 14 of the third. And then back to 14 of the fourth. So far we have this. From here, we're going 12 of the fourth string. And we play that chromatic run here, so 14, 13, 12 of the fifth. So then 12 of the fifth, 15 of the sixth, 12th of the sixth, and then end 14 of the fourth. Altogether, that solo slow from the top. So that's the first half. Then we do this. Coming out of that solo section, we're into the breakdown, and the breakdown's gonna sound like this. So that first part there is just open 6-string power chord. And on the upbeat, releasing the finger and then going right back to it. So that hits all open strings and then back to the power chord. Okay, and then it goes into this section so that's just open 6th string, 3rd fret, 5th string, 5th fret, 5th string. You'll hear a lead part over top of that, and it'll be playing this kind of thing up here. So that's 12th fret, 3rd string, 11th fret, 3rd string, 12th fret, 4th string, and then these harmonics. It's just a matter of resting your fingers in the appropriate place up against the 12th fret and letting it ring out. So. And now the song modulates up a key. So we were playing the main riff starting 3rd fret, 6th string. Now we're going to modulate it up starting 5th fret, 6th string, and play the exact same riff that we've been playing. Okay, so it just lets those ring the last time through. And then what we're going to do is modulate back down to the original key. And we're going to play that main riff one last time through, but this time, instead of making it staccato, like we've been doing, we're just going to play it more legato and let the chords ring out. Okay, so exact same notes, just more legato. You'll also hear this lead part the last time through. It sounds like this. Okay, so that's just 12th fret, 2nd string, 13th fret, 2nd string, 15th fret, 1st string. Back to 13th fret, 2nd string, and repeat. And in the very last measure of the song, we go back to the staccato notes and play that main riff one more time through and end on that note. Was Sugarcult your favorite pop punk band of the 2000s? Comment down below. And while you're down there, click the subscribe button to join the congregation and get more guitar lessons and videos every single week. Thanks so much for joining me, and remember, hug the gingers in your life, because we do, in fact, have souls.